And welcome back to the GNC Game Network channel. We're here selling this old box of Rack-O. It has 35 pieces of tape to hold it together. Boy, isn't it resilient. It comes with the original 1912 pack and the 1915 words. Folks, we're so excited that you're here. Come and get this. It's worth $10. But for a lifetime offer, we're going to sell it for $399, and we're going to sell it for $325, and we're going to put it for $312. What is going on? It is on the floor. It is all over the place, folks. This is the game that you want. Look at those cards. Look at them. They're so pretty with their red and their orange. But you want those cards, folks, you got to come and buy it. And just for $399 with a $25 seal and deliver, you too can have this Rack-O set.